Assalamu alaikum ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this Haiper AI tutorial. In this video we're gonna learn how to animate your image using Haiper free AI tool. It's a very amazing tool. It's new, so let's get started. Here we're gonna first ask ChatGPT to give us 5 scenes for our character, and I'm gonna teach you how to create a consistent character using Leonardo image generation here. So first ask ChatGPT for 5 scenes for Jennifer doing different things at 5 different locations. So you have to give your character a specific name, okay? Then ChatGPT generates scene Jennifer at the art gallery, Jennifer at the beach, in the city, the park, at the theater, and of course you can change anything you want, of course. Okay, after that you go to Leonardo AI, and here you have to, it is recommended to use this organized prompt. Okay, this is so organized, and here we have generate an image of Jennifer. You have to start with the name of your character, and after that the physical appearance, sipping on a refreshing juice. The chatter of fellow patrons fills the air as she enjoys the bustling ambience. Sunlight streams through the windows, and here is the description of the environment. Okay, with each sip, Jennifer savors the fruity flavor, her eyes sparkling with delight. She has fair hair, green eyes. Also can add these physical details. Okay, and then her dress. Okay, she's dressed in a pale red jacket, yellow top, beige tie trousers, and so on. Her hair is tied up and she poses with confidence and grace, and it's recommended to use hyper realistic or super realistic, and then 4K or 8K as you want. Okay, and I'm gonna use Leonardo lighting, and I also use a very important thing is negative prompt to avoid two hits, two face out the frame, extra fingers, and so on. I use this in every single image. So after that I clicked on generate, and I got this beautiful image, really without alchemy. Really, it's very amazing to see something like that. Okay, after that what I have done is to change the scene. So generate an image of Jennifer, the same, standing in a picturesque countryside landscape surrounded by rolling hills, lush meadows, and then the sky, and she has the same physical appearance. I did not change anything. Okay, just here is the pale white jacket, yellow top. You can change of course these things, but the physical appearance is the same to guarantee the same character. Okay, so you have to change just the location, the description of the location, and what she's wearing. Okay, after that I got this beautiful image, and here on the beach, so I have a generated image of Jennifer, the same. Okay, so Jennifer, yeah, walks along a sandy beach with turquoise waves gently lapping at the shore behind her. Okay, and I changed what she's wearing. Okay, and I got this beautiful image. And here at the gallery, so standing in front of captivating piece of the art. Okay, at the gallery is, and here is the description of the gallery. I got these things. You can edit or you can get it from ChatGPT if you're not familiar with these keywords. Okay, and also I changed what she is wearing. So in the end I got this beautiful image. And here the last thing, so seated on a bench in a park, she has fair hair and so on. Okay, and there is a description of the scene with sunlight filtering through the trees, casting dappled shadows. Okay, so we got these 5 images for our animations. After that, you go to Haiper AI and just animate your image. Click animate your image HD, and you're gonna here upload the images. You download every image and then upload the image and give the description of the video you wanna generate. So I'm gonna show you what I have created. So let's see. Really, I got fantastic results. So let's start with this. Here is the prompt. So after I uploaded the image, I just typed this: the woman accidentally drops her book or shoulder book falling on the ground, or she doing anything. Okay, so let's see. Just 4 seconds, and of course you can click here to let the others see your videos, or you can if you don't know that, you check this. And of course I want it to be 4 seconds. Okay, so the next image, let's see the prompt. So the camera zooms in on Jennifer's face, her eyes widening with wonder as she gazes at the mesmerizing painting. And I'm gonna give you these descriptions or these prompts in the description to learn. Okay, you just give the software of this tool the details you want. So let's see the video, and you can give her the smile, she's smiling, blinking her eyes, and these kind of things. After that, uploading this image, let's see the prompt. Just Jennifer walks on the beach and smiling, 4K HD. We got this, as you can see. Really fantastic. As you can see here, this is the standstill image. Here, what the Haiper did is that it simulated or animated the beach, and it made her smile, and looks like this. Okay, and really it took hours in the past to generate these kind of animations. So here is the cafe, Jennifer. Sorry. So here is the cafe. So Jennifer enjoying drinking juice and blinking, 4K hyper realistic. So let's see this video. Well, this is really wonderful. So if you come here and see this standstill image, now it is dynamic, became dynamic and smiling. Notice? So you put your vision here, and really it takes a few minutes to get what you want. And here is the last thing. So I used this prompt at first: Jennifer enjoying the countryside, air moving her hair, slightly smiling and blinking. I got this result, but I did not like it. Notice? So I changed it, regenerated it. You can regenerate. Notice? So I just enhanced the result. You can change the prompt or can regenerate. If you wanna the same input, you can regenerate to get different results, or if you wanna vary the prompt, you can click here. Okay, so in this video you have learned how to use Leonardo AI even without alchemy. This is the free version, but you have to follow, it is recommended to follow the same order. Here I'm gonna put these things in the description, and then you go to Haiper AI for free. You create an account with your Gmail, and then you give it the description of the video you want. Okay, so the next video we're gonna learn, of course, a new thing. So thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you.